percentage of all the energy we use comes from petrol? The answer is 39%. Of all the energy we use, 26% comes from coal. And we get 23% of our energy from natural gas. But we get a very small percentage from renewable sources, which are the ones that don't pollute, only 7%. And that's really small. Just think about it, children. I'm sure we can do better than that. See you again next time! Yeah!
What's your name?
Sempre again.
How old are you?
Sempre 10.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Sempre la guida alpina.
You know what's coming next?
È arrivato il momento delle news.
Halfway between Barranquilla and Cartagena in Colombia, El Tutumo rises up to the modest height of 15 metres, one of the many mud volcanoes on the Caribbean coast. But El Tutumo, noted for the therapeutic qualities of its mud, has something that the other ones don't have: a guardian, Miguel Blanco. The lively 80-year-old is an expert on the volcano's history. He formed a cooperative with some of the inhabitants of nearby Pueblito to run the mud business. The mud of these volcanoes isn't dangerous, but it's fun. And it contains substances that are considered to be good for the skin. Betty, dear, where are you?
I'm right here. Whatever do you want?
I want to do something for the environment.
Well, if I were you, I'd pay attention to our expert. The incredible, stupendous and marvellous Professor Felix Kopopotsky.
Professor Kopopotsky, it's time for the environmental and ecological part of our programme. And what we're discussing today is something everyone should be concerned with, and that is smog. So it's over to you.
Smog is the term we use to describe urban air pollution. In 19th century London, it started to become a serious problem. It was then that the term was first used. Smog. This word is a mix of two English words. Smoke, from all the industrial activity, and fog, an elegant combination. There are two types of smog. The classic one is a mixture of gas and dust. This type of pollution appears principally in winter. The other one, photochemical smog, appears mostly during the summer months. The sunlight reflects off particles of polluting gases, visible to the naked eye. As a result, the ozone levels in the lower atmosphere rise. But what actually causes smog to occur? Combustion. Cities naturally hold on to stagnant air. And the result is... an enormous cloud that causes coughs and red eyes.
How can we solve the problem?
By simply using one of the less polluting forms of public transportation. For example, when it comes to getting around, you could use, let's say, a bicycle, or a nice scooter, or your legs, yeah.
So that's it.
What do you mean, that's it?
The show's over for today.
But you won't want to miss us next time for... Yeah!
Amazing World!